In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first sheet in Smartsheet. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home dashboard. This is your central hub, and it's where you'll start anything new. You'll notice a large purple card that says Start a new project, program or process. A template gallery if you want inspiration later, your recent workspaces and sheets, and a left sidebar to navigate around your account. Think of this screen as your launchpad. Go ahead and click that purple card. A setup window will appear. Even though Smartsheet uses the word project here, this is exactly where you create simple sheets too. To keep things straightforward, choose Start from Scratch, then select Sheet. This tells Smartsheet you want a basic, flexible worksheet, rather than a pre-built template or a more complex project structure. Next, pick Blank Sheet. Starting blank gives you a clean slate with no preset columns or automation, which is perfect when you're learning or when you want total control over your layout. Now give your sheet a clear name, like My First Smartsheet or Task Tracker. If you're prompted to choose a workspace, select where you want it saved, then click Create. Your new sheet opens automatically so you can begin working right away. Before you add content, take a moment to understand the layout. The leftmost column is the primary column. It's designed for task names or main items and can't be deleted, so treat it like the backbone of your sheet. Columns run across the top and store types of information, while rows go down the side and represent the individual tasks or items you're tracking. Let's customize your columns so the sheet fits your work. Double-click a column name to rename it. To change a column's type, right-click the column header and choose Edit Column Properties. Common options include text/number for general notes, drop-down list for status, contact list for assigning owners, date for due dates, and checkbox for marking completion. A simple setup might use the primary column for task names, a drop-down for status, a contact column for owners, a date column for due dates, and a checkbox column to indicate done. Click OK after each change to apply it. By the way, if you need Smartsheet, you'll find a link to the website and download links for the mobile app right at the top of the description. To add work to your sheet, click into the primary column and type your first task. Press Enter to create additional rows, then fill out the other columns as needed. Smartsheet saves automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. At this point, you've built your first Smartsheet using the latest interface. Clean, customized, and ready to use. Thanks for watching.